Welcome to Dream Autos, and today we're diving into one of the most exciting comebacks in the automotive world. The 2026 Corvette C7, a name that carries legacy, heritage, and raw American muscle, now reimagined for the modern era. The C7 returns with a refreshed attitude, and while it respects its iconic past, it's very clear that Chevrolet built this new version to dominate the future. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Corvette C7 immediately strikes you with its bold, aggressive stance. The classic long hood and sharp nose are still here, but the entire design has been refined with modern aerodynamics. The front end is lower, sleeker, and more sculpted, with new adaptive air vents that automatically adjust based on driving conditions. The signature Corvette headlights are slimmer and more angular, giving the car a sharper, more focused expression. The body lines run deep along the sides, highlighting the sculpted fenders and wide shoulders that make the C7 instantly recognizable, even from a distance. The rear of the car brings the most noticeable transformation. The quad taillights are back in a redesigned form, more edgy, more futuristic, but still carrying the Corvette DNA. The quad exhaust tips now sit wider apart, with a new diffuser that channels airflow with precision, improving both stability and cooling. The stance is lower and wider, compared to previous models, and with the available performance package, you get an aggressive carbon fiber rear wing that adds real aerodynamic benefit without compromising the car's classic look. Moving to the wheels, Chevrolet offers a new range of lightweight forged alloys, available in multiple finishes. Combined with the upgraded braking system, featuring larger rotors and 6 piston calipers up front, the C7 not only looks powerful, it backs it up with real performance hardware that you can feel the moment you hit the road. Inside, the 2026 Corvette C7 continues its tradition of blending sportness with modern comfort. The cabin is driver-focused, with a slightly angled center console that wraps around you, placing all essential controls within easy reach. The materials have been significantly upgraded. Premium leather, Alcantara inserts, aluminum accents, and real carbon fiber trim depending on your configuration. The seats are more supportive, offering deep bolstering for spirited driving while maintaining comfort for long trips. Technology takes a major leap forward as well. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, giving you performance stats, navigation, and real-time engine data. The infotainment system is faster and more intuitive, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium audio system that ensures a refined driving experience. Although the interior stays true to the Corvette's sporty nature, it finally feels modern enough to compete with the latest European rivals. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2026 Corvette C7 enters the market with a competitive starting price that places it well within the reach of performance enthusiasts. Of course, higher trims and performance packages can push the price upward, especially if you opt for carbon, fiber components, or advanced performance kits. Still, compared to other sports cars offering similar performance, the C7 remains one of the best value for money machines in its class. Performance is where the new C7 truly shines. Under the hood, it's powered by an improved version of Chevrolet's naturally aspirated V8, or a twin turbo V8 depending on your chosen trim. Power figures jump significantly from previous models, pushing well over the 500 horsepower mark, with higher variants entering the 600+ territory. The acceleration is brutally fast, the throttle response is sharp, and the improved suspension setup gives the car incredible stability, even at high speeds. The 2026 C7 handles better than ever thanks to its upgraded chassis, wider track, and improved aerodynamics. Whether you're carving through tight corners or enjoying straight line performance, the Corvette feels balanced, confident, and thrilling in every way. The 2026 Corvette C7 is truly a celebration of American performance, refined, modernized, and ready to compete in the global arena. Thanks for watching Dream Autos. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting reviews.